Plans are in motion to host the next biennial Niue Arts and Cultural Festival in April of 2011, with the first official committee meeting held yesterday at the Whalefono. The festival, which celebrates Niuean identity and focuses on unifying Niueans here and abroad, was launched in 2009, supported by the Ministry of Pacific Island Affairs of New Zealand. But this time round, it will be Niue-driven, with the appointment of a core group working voluntarily to ensure that the true essence of Niuean culture is showcased. The meeting was chaired by the Premier Tokita Langi, who recommended that the group look at areas of culture that are in dire need of revival and the need to refine details and logistics, using the previous festival as a lesson on what works and what to focus on. The Taonga Niue office will be the focal point for the organisation of the event, with the help of the committee consisting of individuals with experience and background in various areas of visual and performing arts, crafts and so forth. This will be the first of a series of meetings that will be held to ensure that by April 2011 the island is ready to stage the festival.